In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record in Descript. To get started, open Descript and sign into your account. Once you're inside the app, either open an existing project or create a new one depending on where you want your recording to live. This is helpful because Descript keeps your media, transcript, and edits together in one project, which makes the whole workflow much easier to manage. After your project is open, look to the upper right corner and click Record. This opens the recording setup, where you'll choose exactly what you want to capture. Descript gives you a few different options here. You can record with your camera if you want to capture yourself on webcam, record your screen if you're making a tutorial or walkthrough, or record audio only if you just need your microphone. You can also combine your camera, microphone, and screen if you want a more complete presentation style recording. Before you begin, take a moment to select the correct microphone and camera. In the audio settings, make sure the right microphone is chosen so your voice is captured clearly. If you're recording video, pick the camera you want to use. It's also a good idea to check the input levels before you start. If the levels are too low, your audio may be hard to hear, and if they're too high, the sound can distort. Spending a few seconds here can save you from having to re-record later. If you're planning to record your screen, you'll also need to choose your screen sharing settings. Select the specific screen, window, or browser tab you want to capture. Be sure to pick the correct one so your recording shows exactly what you intend to demonstrate. Once everything is set up, click Record. Descript will give you a short countdown, and then you can begin speaking or demonstrating whatever you want to record. Try to speak clearly and move at a steady pace, especially if you're explaining something on screen. When you're finished, click Stop Recording. Descript will then automatically upload and transcribe your recording directly into your project. This is one of the biggest advantages of recording in Descript because you can immediately review both the media and the generated transcript in the same place. Take a few moments to review the transcript and the recording and make any edits you need. This is your chance to clean up mistakes, remove unwanted sections, or tighten the final result. Once